Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to share with you a very important folder that is hidden from Microsoft. And the Microsoft never wants to show this folder because this folder contain your previous data and your recent data. So without wasting any time, let's go into this. Go to your file explorer, then simply go for this PC. And here you have to click on this three dot and then click on options. Into the options, you have to click on view, and here you have to check show hidden files and folder and drivers. Click OK. Now you can simply go for your C drive and then simply go for Windows, and here you have to find out installer folder. I'm sure you will not going to find that folder, but we have a system that can help us to find it. Click on this three dot, click on options, drag it over here, and then click on this view and click on show hidden folder. Fine. Then if you scroll down a little bit, just simply uncheck this file named hide protected operating system files. So just simply uncheck it and click on apply and click on OK. Give a refresh and now find out the installer file. And as you can see, you find out the installer file over here. So we will not going to open this file, like there has a lots of file over here. So I will not going to open this file. What I will going to do, I'm going to click on the right mouse button and click on the properties section to show you how much size it has. So in my computer, it's contain 1.39 size, 39 GB size. So on that occasion, I want to delete them, but in that case, you cannot delete it from here. If you do this, then it might be crash your Windows PC or Windows operating system. So we will going to delete it with another system. For that, what we can do, we have to open our browser, then simply come over into this website, and then here we have to scroll down a little bit and then click on releases. After, if you scroll down a little bit, here you're going to find out installer clean portable.exe file. If you click on that, you're going to get a download option and then simply save it into the download folder. And now as you can see, it's downloading. And that's it. The download is completed. Now now you can simply click on the folder icon and simply click on it to install it. Click yes for the permission. And now you can simply minimize all of your background tab. And over here, you can simply see I can delete only 506 MB from my computer device. Also, if I just click on the browse option and simply go for the local C drive and go for Windows, and here is installer folder. If I just select it and if I just rescan it, it will going to still shows me that I have 6 unneeded files to clean up. So basically on that folder, there are two types of files. One is that you are recently using for your Windows and one is your previous one. So on that occasion, you can only delete the previous one that are unneeded, and Windows can simply recognize or finding out which files are not needed in your computer. As you can see, delete them to the recycle bin or use move instead of keep backup. Putting the files back in C Windows installer returns you exactly where you started. You can see this file is selected, so you don't need to be worried about. Just here you have to simply click on delete. And now this file went to the recycle bin, you can see, and you can now simply delete it. That's it. You will be wonder if your computer, it can be a huge amounts of size. Like one of my friend has a 300 or 400 GB of files that they need to clean up with a simple installer clean software. So don't worry, I will going to give you this software download link into video description. From there you can simply download it and install for your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and comment below how many spaces you get. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.